guys, regular sex is a big topic. We're going to talk about reasons why women should have sex regularly. So that's our topic for today. The channel is Nazvin. Guys, this is where we get to talk matters medical in a simple language which you can always understand without necessarily using medical jargon. That's why you need to like the videos and also give us nice comment below. And that way you get YouTube to recommend us to a larger population, so that the search information as basic as this can really reach a larger population, and that is what we always want for our channel, or for this channel of Nazvin. So regular sexual activity can offer a range of physical, psychological, and relationship benefits for women. And I'm going to give you some of the reasons why you want to maintain regular sex life and also its benefits in your life. So number one benefit why we want to encourage you to have it regularly as a lady is about enhanced cardiovascular health. And when you talk about enhanced cardiovascular health, the benefit of this is that regular sex can boost the health of your heart, and also by increasing the heart rate and improving blood circulation, similar to moderate exercise. So like the exercise, sex can also improve your health of your heart. Improved immune function. So when we talk about immune function, we're talking about the way your body is able to fight diseases. So benefit of this is that sexual activity can lead to higher levels of immunoglobulin A, or IgA, what we call IgA, which helps strengthen the immune system at the end of the day. Reduce stress and anxiety is also another thing, where sexual activity triggers release of endorphins and also oxytocin, which can reduce the stress levels and enhance mood. So for enhanced mood and also reduced stress levels, we encourage you to do this sex thing. Better sleep quality is also another benefit, because the relaxation and also hormone release after sex can promote better sleep, aiding in the overall rest and also recovery at the end of the day. So if you want that better sleep quality, get involved in sexual activity. Increased relationship satisfaction is also another thing, where regular sexual activity can strengthen emotional bond and the intimacy between partners and contribute to a more fulfilling relationship. So they say as you practice it with your partner, you get that bond to grow. So increased relationship satisfaction because of the regular sexual activity can strengthen emotional bonds and also intimacy between partners, contributing to a more fulfilling relationships. Enhanced libido and also sexual function is another thing. The benefit of this is maintaining an active sex life, can help sustain sexual desire and also function, potentially reducing the issues like a low libido at the end of the day. Pain relief. You are in a lot of pain. Pain relief, yes, sex is a pain reliever. So the benefit of this, the sexual activity help alleviate certain types of pain, not all the pains, but it can help you manage your pain because of the release of what you call endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. So pain relief is also a benefit of sexual activity, ladies. Improved self-esteem and also body image is also another thing. So for the benefit you get this, healthy sex life can boost confidence and improve body image at the end of the day. So with this, they contribute to overall self-esteem and also well-being. Hormonal balance is another thing. As a benefit, the regular sexual activity can help maintain hormonal levels and estrogen, and also especially when you talk about the estrogen and the progesterone in ladies, which are important for various bodily functions as described in our previous videos. So hormonal balance with regular sex help maintain balanced hormones levels, especially including the estrogen and also progesterone, which are very important in women's reproductive and also other hormonal function in the body. Reduce the risk of certain diseases. so reduced risk of certain diseases. Some studies suggest that regular sexual activity may be associated with reduced risks like breast cancer. This is research-based, so you want to put that breast cancer away, involve yourself in this safe sex at the end of the day, ladies. It helps. So also, strengthening of the pelvic floor muscles is another way, because sexual activity can help to tone and also strengthen pelvic floor muscles, which are very crucial for urinary and also sexual function. This can help you to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which are very key for your urination and also your sexual health enjoyment. Also, enhanced cognitive function with being involved regularly in sex. It enhances what you call cognitive function. Regular sexual activity may be linked to better cognitive function and also your mental health at the end of the day. Strengthening emotional bond is also another thing, where regular sexual activity and also emotional intimacy and connection with your partner, they foster deeper relationship at the end of the day. Increased longevity. If you want to live longer, this is research-based. Some researchers suggest that regular sexual activity may be associated with increased longevity and also overall health. So regular sexual activity offers numerous benefits which can contribute to physical and also emotional well-being and relationship satisfaction. So by maintaining a healthy sex life, women can experience improvements and of the cardiovascular health, immune function, and also mood, and also overall quality of life. On the management of sexual health for women, managing sexual health effectively involves a holistic approach, integrates lifestyle choices, and this is integrated with with the lifestyle choices, medical care, and also emotional well-being. So it's not one aspect per se. So some of the comprehensive guides to managing sexual health for women is about regular checkups. That's very key, ladies, where you schedule your routine gynecological exams and screening. This include pap smears and also breast exams. That's very key, ladies. And this make it a trend that if you don't know how to do self breast exam, you get to learn it from the healthcare providers, how to do it. Also, pap smear with your gynecologist and also with the other checkups is very key. At least, like pap smear, to be done once a year is very key, so that it gets to help you as much as possible. Early detection of health issues, that's why you want to do it, including the STIs or sexually transmitted diseases, and the reproductive health problems can be helped at that particular point, because we don't want you to get into a problem and we are not able to resolve it at that particular point. Open communication with your partner is also very key. This one helps you to maintain honest and open dialogue with your partner about your sexual needs, desires, and also concerns. So the benefit of this comes about with it enhances your intimacy and also reduces misunderstanding, contributing to a fulfilling relationship at the end of the day. Health, lifestyle choices. So this is very key, where especially on the diet, you consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins to support your overall health. So exercise is also another way you make a choice about it. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and also improve cardiovascular system. Also, sleep is also a choice you make about your health, where you ensure adequate sleep or rest to support you, especially at night, to support your overall well-being and also hormonal balance. So with this kind of choices, you get to make your heart to be active and also health at the end of the day. So stress management is also another key thing where we look at. And with the stress management, we talk about the action you take there is practice stress reduction techniques, which I always mention about meditation. We talk about yoga, we talk about deep breathing exercises. The benefit of this, it reduces the negative impact of stress on sexual health and enhance your overall well-being at the end of the day. Safe sex practices, guys, is very key, where you you use protection to prevent sexually transmitted infection and unintended pregnancies at the end of the day. When we talk about addressing sexual health issues early, it's very key. By seeking the medical aspect of it with the healthcare provider to detect any differences early, or to address any symptoms early, so that you get symptoms of sexual dysfunction, pain, or health concerns can be addressed at that particular point. Why do we insist on this, addressing the sexual health issues early? Timely treatment can prevent complications and improve sexual function at the end of the day. Manage hormonal health, ladies. So this, consult with your healthcare provider if you experience symptoms of hormonal imbalances. And kindly, if you have not looked at or checked our video on hormonal imbalance, we have it in our channel, Nazvin. Kindly look at the hormonal balance in ladies or women or in female. I did a video over that, and we talked something very important about hormonal balances. So when we talk about hormonal imbalance, you need to consult with the healthcare provider to, if you are experiencing the hormonal imbalances or menopause-related issues. This supports the hormonal balance at the end of the day, and also and alleviate the symptoms as much as possible, because now we have modern medicine which gives the best approach to help you get help over this. So psychological support is also another thing, where consider therapy or counseling if you're experiencing psychological issues that impact your sexual health. The benefit of this, it addresses the mental health concerns and improve sexual health well-being. Avoid substance abuse, guys. Limit or avoid alcohol or recreational drugs at the end of the day. The benefit of this, the negative effects of sexual health or effects on sexual health and overall physical health can really be avoided if you avoid those substance abuse issues. Educate yourself also, that's very key. By watching Nazvin channel, we share diverse things which affect our health. Also reading on materials which are approved and also which are very reliable can give you the good knowledge you want to get to understand about yourself, so that you get to address you get to know yourself, and also when you are far from the being health as much as possible. So promote productive management by learning and also awareness of sexual health issues through staying informed of sexual facts, health, safe practices, and available treatments, which are very important at that particular point. Regular monitoring is also another thing, where you get to monitor changes in your sexual health and seeking medical attention as much as possible, because early intervention can prevent progression and also complications at the end of the day. Protecting against injury is also another thing, where you use appropriate protection during activities that may pose risk to sexual health. So by preventing trauma and also potential complications related to injuries, you get to protect against those injuries, which can be very detrimental. Number 13 is about always remember to address your relationship issues, guys. So work on resolving any conflicts in your relationship that might affect your sexual health. But this enhances emotional intimacy and also sexual satisfaction at the end of the day. Unfortunately, sometimes we have complications of poor sexual health management for women. Neglecting sexual health can lead to a very range of physical, emotional, and also relationship complications. And some of the potential complications which can come about is about sexual dysfunction. And when we talk about sexual dysfunction, we're talking about this, the difficulties such as libido can be a big problem, where arousal problems comes in, or inability to achieve orgasm. And the impact of this can lead to a decreased sexual satisfaction and a strain in a relationship. So sexual dysfunction is number one. Number two, complication which can come about is about pain intercourse, and discomfort or pain during the sexual activity, often related to conditions like vaginismus and endometriosis can come about. So this can lead to decreased sexual satisfaction and also strain in a relationship. So that is very key to know that complication. Sexually transmitted sexual transmitted infections can also come about So infections such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, HPV can be transmitted through the sexual contact. So to help these complications, such as these ones, the discomfort and also long-term effects like infertility is very key at the end of the day. And intended pregnancies, where pregnancy resulting from unprotected sexual activity can bring about emotional, financial, and lifestyle changes, and potentially impact or personal or by the person or personal life of the individual. Hormonal imbalances, conditions like what we call polycystic ovarian syndrome can be, or PCOS, or thyroid disorders that can affect hormonal levels is also another thing, which can lead to regular menstrual cycle, mood swings, and fertility issues. Relationship issues is also another thing, where strains or conflicts in a relationship due to sexual dissatisfaction or health problems can affect emotional intimacy and also overall relationship stability at the end of the day. So psychological issues also can come in as a complication, where anxiety, depression, or low self-esteem related to sexual concerns can affect the mental health and can also exacerbate the sexual health problems. Chronic pelvic pain can also be there. Persistent pain in the pelvic region can interfere with the daily activities and also sexual function. This can reduce quality of life and also sexual satisfaction at the end of the day. Number 9 is about reduced fertility. Issues with conception due to underlying health problems or sexual health issues can challenge the achieving pregnancies and also potential emotional stress at the end of the day. Increased risk for certain cancers, so cancers such as cervical or breast cancer, which are related to sexual health issues or STIs, requires medical treatment, which can affect the overall health. Decreased quality of life, overall decline in well-being and life satisfaction due to unsolved sexual health issues can impact the personal happiness, relationship, and also functioning. Social isolation is also another thing, where withdrawal from social or sexual activities due to embarrassment or health concerns can lead to loneliness and further mental issues. Chronic fatigue or persistent tiredness, often related to health problems, affect the sexual health at the end of the day. This reduces the energy levels and impact the overall quality of life. So poor management of sexual health can lead to a variety of complications affecting the physical, emotional well-being, and also relationship. Address sexual health concerns productively through regular medical care, healthy lifestyle choices, and also open communication can help one to prevent this complication and support the overall quality. So on the prevention part of sexual health complications for women is very key, where we always encourage that to prevent complications related to sexual health health issues as a proactive thing. This includes lifestyle changes, regular medical care, and effective communication. Some of the strategies you can prevent this sexual health complication for women. Number 1 is about regular health checkups. Schedule your routine gynecological exams, including pap smear, breast exams, and STIs screening. That's very key, because early detection and management of these issues, including infection and reproductive health conditions, can be handled at that level. Number 2 is about prevention strategies, about safe sexual practices by use of condoms or barrier methods to prevent the sexually transmitted infections and unintended pregnancies. This reduces the risk of STIs and also support reproductive health at the end of the day. Health lifestyle choices, we want, especially from the diet, eat balanced diet from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and this should be taken in moderation and also engage in regular physical activities to support the overall well-being of your health and also the functioning of your heart or cardiovascular function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to maintain overall well-being. Stress management is also another key, where you practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises to manage your stress. This reduces the impact of stress on sexual health and also improve emotional well-being. Address sexual health issues early is another way. You seek medical advice if experiencing symptoms such as pain, discomfort, or sexual dysfunction. Timely intervention can prevent complications and also improve sexual function. Managing hormonal health is very key, where you consult your healthcare provider if experiencing the symptoms related to hormonal imbalances or menopause. That's very key to help maintain hormonal balance and alleviate the symptoms at the end of the day. So psychological support is also another thing, where you consider therapy or counseling at the end of the day to help you manage this very key, where you address the mental health concerns and enhance sexual well-being. Avoid substance abuse, so limit or avoid alcohol or recreational drugs to prevent negative effects on sexual health and also physical conditions. Educate yourself is very key. Get information like from this Nazvin. That's what we are doing here. We're sharing information, and this is evidence-based. Yeah. So mind your sources, where you learn about your sexual health, lifestyle changes, safe practices, available treatment through very reliable sources. This promotes proactive management and awareness of sexual health issues. Address relationship issues. Work on resolving conflict and improving communication with your partner. This promotes proactive management and awareness of the sexual health issues. So by addressing and also by addressing these relationship issues, you improve your intimacy and also relationship satisfaction. Protect against injury. Use appropriate protection during activities that may pose risk for sexual health. This prevents trauma and also potential complication related to injury. Regular monitoring is also another thing, where you monitor changes in sexual health and seek medical advice if issue arise. So early intervention is very key to prevent progression and also complication. Maintain open communication. Discuss sexual health and concerns openly with your partner and your healthcare provider, so to improve your relationship dynamics and ensure the management of your sexual health issues. Preventing complication related to sexual health is very key, guys, where you get to a combination of proactive medical care, healthy lifestyle choices, and effective communication. So by implementing the preventive measures, women can support their sexual health and also enhance their overall well-being and enjoy fulfilling sexual lifestyle or sexual life. So maintaining sexual health is very integral and the well-being and quality of life of our women. Proactive management and prevention strategies that are essential to avoid complications and enhancing sexual health. Key practices like regular medical checkups is very key, where you get to help yourself to get medical checkups to detect any issues early, safe sex practices to protect against STIs and also unintended pregnancies, health lifestyle choices, support overall well-being with a balanced diet, and also mental health outcomes to improve our well-being. Effective stress and psychological management with address any stress and also mental health concerns to improve the sex well-being. Also, effective effective open communication is another very key, where you foster honest discussions about your sexual health with your healthcare provider, and also sharing your relationship issues as much as possible. Health lifestyle choices, where you need to support overall health with balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep is also another very key. So as much as we are discussing this, it is very integrated. So that's why we need to, by integrating the strategies into these many strategies into our daily life, women can prevent potential health issues and also support the sexual health as much as possible, and foster satisfaction and fulfilling relationships at the end of the day, because that is very key. So proactive care and open dialogue are very crucial to maintain sexual health and also enhancing overall quality of life, guys, at the end of the day, because that is our target at the end of the day. Guys, the channel is Nazvin. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe, and also I want to welcome you to our next video. Peace, guys, and we love you very much. Thank you, guys.